Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Thank you guys for tuning in. And guys, we are almost at 500 subscribers. So if you know anybody that hasn't subscribed to the channel yet, please do that. That'll be definitely legendary when we hit 500 subscribers. I know it's not a lot, but guys, this is a small community that we're going to be building big over time. So we could talk about personal finance, investing into real estate and stocks, and all talking about money. This is the name of the game, everybody. This week, I'm going to be talking about my portfolio update, and I know that you guys like these videos because obviously the view count on these, other than the videos that I drop, you guys like to see how my portfolio is doing. And luckily, well, not luckily, since I've done a lot of research into the stocks that I picked, we've been going up a lot over the last couple of months. So I'm gonna do a breakdown of obviously what I own week after week, how much I invest, and how much dividends I get. So let's just get straight into it, everybody, guys. Like I said, if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe right now and smash the like button because I know you're going to love this video. So do me a favor, do that, and let's get straight into my Robinhood portfolio. All right, I'm into my Robinhood portfolio. As you can see, we are at $13,369, and on the day I'm up $418. That is about 3.2% on the day. On the week, actually, we're up $955.96, up around 7%. On the month, this is crazy, man, up $2,444, just about 23%. We're up on the 3 months. This is massive, man. This is like, I can't even believe it, but we are up $4,569, which is a 51%, or you could say 52% gain. Like, this is incredible, guys. I'm so glad that, you guys are seeing the journey of me growing this portfolio and seeing, dividends come in. But let's just go down to what I hold. Like always, it takes for me a lot of research I have to do into making sure that when I add another stock to the portfolio, that it is a solid stock, because I will be adding to it over the weeks and over the months and over the years. Recently, I've been adding a lot of money to Store Capital, and recently also I've been adding to CVS. My Apple and Tesla position has been really stable. I've just kept them at that. I think a couple weeks ago I invested into Apple. I invested a couple more shares, but as far as those two companies, it's been stable. As you can see, Apple is taking a dive, so I might want to grab some more shares while it is below $130. So you'll just have to see in a couple of weeks if I do that or not. But let's just talk about CVS first, okay? Now, I've been buying this, as you can see, average cost is $68.88. I checked out their balance sheet. They have good income, good revenue coming in, and their net profit is amazing. I could see the future shift to everybody heading to CVS for getting their vaccines. So they got a lot going on, and management has been changing from one CEO to another, and I really like where CVS is going financially and just socially, and the type of business model they're heading in. That's why I like to put more money into CVS. But I was actually putting money into it when it was low and the value was probably a little undervalued. So I was raking up some shares. As you can see now, from that $68 buy-in of my average cost, I'm up a good amount of money, about $100 total return. It's at $76 right now, so I can't complain. I will be adding more, even though I think it is undervalued. I'm going to still be adding more money every single week. Now let's go to Store Capital. Now this Store Capital has been dipping a little bit. That's why I've been buying more shares. Like I said, I currently have 61 shares. And also this Friday, I will be getting a dividend for having 54.76 shares. And they pay out 36 cents per share, which is a total of $19.72. Now, this is going to be a lot higher in the future because now I have even more shares. I have 61 shares, and I will be adding more shares next week. This payout will be a lot fatter when the next payout comes around. So this is quarterly, it gets paid out. But guys, 20 bucks right there, What can you do with 20 bucks? I know I can get probably a nice meal I could pay, Netflix or pay my Apple Music for a couple months. So that's what I mean by dividends. Is definitely something you want in your portfolio because it's extra income. And when you work, if you're working a job, you're working 40 hours a week, you want to put the money that you would essentially save into assets like this that are going to pay you an income. I currently make about $190 off of my portfolio every single year just in passive income and dividends, which that comes out to about, I don't know, $15 every single month that I get paid out in dividends on average. That's coming in and I don't have to do anything for that. And on top of that, I get appreciation from the stock. So as you can see, my average cost is $29.38. Now this is obviously going back down, but my total return used to be at like $220. But obviously I did my research, and in the long run, I know this company is going to go up in value because they are very undervalued right now due to the pandemic that's going on right now. If we go back now, this is my prized possession, man. I got in before the split. So before the split, it was trading at around $2,300, and then it did a 5-to-1 split, which means it divided the stock price into five. Yeah. So if you had 10 shares and they did a stock split for 5, that means you now have 50 shares of Tesla. And I bought in at an average cost of $420, and as you can see now, my investment has doubled because it is at $850. Today's return, it's up huge, so I thank Tesla for having a great day. My total return is $4,588, about 101%. And now every time you get a 100% gain, that just means you've doubled your money. As you can see, the market value is about $9,100. That means that, total with all the gains and all the appreciation plus my initial investment, it has a market value of $9,100. So I've already doubled this investment within 3 months, so I'm definitely proud of that. I wish I had obviously put in more money. Obviously when you pick a winning stock, you want to wish you could go back in time and put more, obviously, but that's just not how life works. You make sure you have a certain amount of money that you want to invest into it, and then you let it ride. That's all I'm going to do for Tesla. I'm just going to let this baby ride because obviously I do not need the money right now. So why not just let it grow? And obviously Apple, I really, really love this company for the future, and it is being sold off right now, as you can see. So we're going to grab some probably next week. I know I was looking at QQQ from before. I'll probably grab a couple of them shares. I just need I'm about to start a new job, so definitely going to have a little bit more money coming in. So I'm going to be investing more money. But a stock that's been beaten up really, really bad is Realty Income. And this company owns, real estate that holds, Walgreens, Walmarts, movie theaters and stuff like that. So they rent to big name companies. So the rents are there, but they are getting beat up when it comes to the stock price. And this is a company right here that gives 4.69% on every dollar that you invest. So if I invest $100, they're going to give me back $4.69 for the year, and they pay out monthly. So this is like an income stock that's going to be paying you every single month consistently, month after month after month. So you don't have to wait 3 months. You don't have to wait half a year to get paid out. You get it every single month. So I've been looking to put a good amount of money into that, since it is most likely undervalued, if not fair valued. I'm thinking more undervalued. It's just a lot of people are probably worried about where everything is going to be in the future, but that's when, you're supposed to get into these stocks and you're supposed to get into these plays, is when everybody else is scared, but you're the one that has money sitting on the sideline ready to be deployed and put into companies that are going to make you more income. So that's exactly what I've been on. As you guys, JP Morgan, man, this is just a runaway train. I've been always wanting to look at this one, but it's definitely been going up. This is probably the best bank stock out there in the industry and in the stock market when it comes to, balance sheet, and it comes to future business and, future assets that they have is going to grow over time. Definitely looking into that one, but that is just my wrap up for my portfolio for this week, and you guys will see in the coming weeks that this portfolio is going to grow and it's going to make more money, and I'm gonna show you guys every time I get paid. If you haven't followed me yet on Instagram, follow money_mindset_17, or you can follow me at messy_617, which is my personal account. So do that. I always post stories and stuff like that about, you know, my portfolio and my game. So thank you guys for tuning in. Guys, if you haven't already, please consider smashing the like button and also consider subscribing to the channel. I'm gonna have great content coming out in the next following week, so definitely stay tuned and don't miss another one. Man, in life, that's just the game. The game that we play is that we have to make money. It doesn't matter how you make money. If you make money flipping stuff online, if you make money at a job, if you make money selling popsicles, you just need to take that money that you make and put it into assets that are going to be paying you passive income, paying you an income essentially. It doesn't have to be that passive, but it has to be paying you an income. When you're taking out loans, make sure you take out a loan for an income producing asset, not just a liability, guys. This is very, very important to mold this into your brain. I've definitely over the last couple of years have been molding that into my brain that, you know, if I'm going to take out money, it's got to be for an asset that's going to be producing income, like real estate. If I, you know, buy a property and I take out a loan on a property, I'm going to stick a tenant in there, and then the tenant is going to be paying me passively through the rent while all the expenses get paid, and then I'll have a little bit left over. That's what the game is, guys. Put all your money that you work hard for, you want to keep it. And so once you keep all the money that you worked hard for, you then put it and invest it into other companies, into other people, so that they're going to be paying you off a little drip from the profits that they make in their business. Or obviously another way you can make money and really fast is through a business. I have a business, man, and it makes probably just about half of what I make at my job. So all that money that you don't need needs to be put into assets that are going to be making money. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.